we're going to do an escape the room. So you're going to click on this link right down here at the bottom. And once you click on it, it is going to take you to this page. So here are the rules. Once you and your team are ready to start, which we're going to do independent, everybody on their own computer, hit the timer button. You are not allowed to pause or change the time. Make sure you look at everything on this homepage. You are allowed one free hint. You are then allowed 2 more hints, but they will cost you 3 minutes on the clock. Use your notes. So here's where you're going to enter your answers for each lock. And, after you scroll down, you're going to click on this timer. Here are your instructions. It'll be a lot bigger. It's smaller on my screen because I have the screen split, but this will be big enough for you to read it. You are going to pay close attention to all of the red letters. Pay close attention to all of the red letters. Using those letters, you are going to you're going to unscramble them to find the first hint. Your first hint is going to tell you what to do with this picture. Okay? Once you have done what is in this picture, which you can't get to until you unscramble this, once you've done what is in this picture, you're going to do that activity and come back here to enter. I believe that one is your first. You're going to enter your first clue or your first answer. At the end of puzzle number 1, or at the end of your escape room number 1, you are going to come back to this page and complete this puzzle. Once you complete this puzzle, you'll have a question to answer. That question and that clue, or the answer to that question, is going to go up here. Lock number 2. Once you have that answer, it is going to tell you to go to this number 3. It'll give you instructions on what to do for number 3. After you have done what number 3 tells you what to do, you will come enter your answer. And then, final, number 4. Number 4 is going to be somewhere on this page, but I can't show you where. So, after you put together what number 3 tells you, then it'll give you instructions on where to find number 4 and what to do from there. So remember, you only have 35 minutes to try and get this done. Have fun, do your best. If you have a question or need help, make sure you let me know.